Hey, I'm Mike Darling with Mike Darling Construction. Today we are testing out sticky stone. We're doing a demo on this, first time ever using it. I'm a mason by trade, but we've been using this on this fireplace for the last day or so, and we are using this stuff out. It's pretty impressive. We're gonna show you really quick how strong this stuff is. So first thing you wanna do is you wanna put, if this stone is going on the wall this way, you want the sticky stone to go laterally or vertically so the water can run down through it if you're doing a non-joint. So basically we're just going to do 2 seams. Just like that. So now if any water gets behind there, the water will just flow right out. And very simply, we're just going to stick it right up here. Squish it right in. Hold it for about 5 seconds. And it should be good. I know what you're thinking, it's a small stone. Now we're gonna try a bigger stone. All right, same thing. We're gonna go vertically. We're gonna do about 3 inches apart, 2 to 3 inches. Heavy on this one. Okay, good. All right, same thing, a little bit bigger of a stone. So now if it looks like it is going to slide or you're a little worried about it, you can always put a shim in here because the ones that are below it, once they sit for 5 minutes, they're not going anywhere. But as you can see, that is not going nowhere. And now we're going to try a bigger one. So let's see how this one's going to work. Same thing. Let's go laterally. Heavy, we got enough in there? Might have to change this one out, but it's a bigger stone, so we added a little bit more. We're going to do about every 2 inches. Okay, we're out. So now to change this brings up another good point. So now when we change this, you're just going to take the top off. You know that, throw that out for me. And then the new stone, the new sticky stone just goes right in. You just cut the top off, pull this back. Slide this right in, like so, and put the top back on it. And just like that, you're ready to go. Hit that with a couple more beads. Yep. Squeeze fast, come on. It's heavy. Let's go, it's heavy stone. Big heavy stone. Just get enough room for 2 more in there, I think. We'll try that. We'll try 4 beads. And this one's gonna go this way. Oops, let me slide this one over a little bit.